metal table leg ideas for unique iron furniture. Welcome to our channel. We have explored innovative ideas for iron furniture. Focusing today on metal table leg designs, iron furniture brings a robust and an industrial charm to any space. And the table leg play a pivotal role in defining its style. Join us as we delve into the unique metal table leg ideas that will elevate your furniture game. Hairpin leg are a timeless classic characterized by their sleek and minimalist design. These simple yet elegant legs provide excellent support for a table while adding a touch for a century modern fare. They are versatile and complement various tableware materials from wood to concrete for any edge and industrial look. Consider using industrial pipe legs for your table. These rugged legs are made from metal pipes and fittings, offering both strength and visually interested. They can be customized in various sizes and configuration to suit your design performance. Tapered legs furniture are gradual decrease in a wide from a top to bottom create a visually appealing silhouettes. These legs are often seen in retro or Scandinavian inspired furniture design, adding a sense of elegance to table. Flared legs widen at bottom, providing stability and distinctive aesthetics. Crossed legs offer a unique and eye-catching base for tables, whether in an frame configuration. Crossed legs provide excellent stability while adding horticulture interested to the furniture pipe. This design works well in both contemporary and rustic settings. Finally, consider customize your table legs to suit your specific needs and performance, whether you prefer a certain height, finishes, or style. Custom made metal legs can bring you a visually life work with a style skilled metal fabric and create one of kind of table that reflect your personality and style. Thank you for joining us. We explore creative metal table leg ideas for unique iron furniture. Whether you perform or simplify hairpin legs to the sculpture designs. Like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon. This video share to your friends and family members.